Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to do the creamiest hummus from scratch. Always homemade hummus is the best. You need to soak 1 cup of hummus in water for at least 6 hours. It's preferable if you soak it a longer time. Add half teaspoon of bicarbonate of sodium and boil for at least 2 hours. Drain and put in a food processor. Remove some for decorations. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 squeezed lemons, 1 clove of garlic, and half a cup of tahini or sesame paste. We add ice water so we'll have this beautiful color of hummus, very light color, and we'll have it so creamy. Blend at least 15 minutes and you will have the creamiest and most delicious hummus. You add it to any plate. Add the hummus that we have reserved and decorate with mint. Add olive oil. Decorate with hot chili using a fork. And enjoy this delicious hummus with pita bread at any time of the day. Enjoy this healthy and delicious dish and see you next week with another recipe.